Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some pulled pork. We've just got a store-bought pork shoulder and we're using the Traeger Ranger. What we're going to flavour this with, there's only one thing we can flavour this with, and that's Uncle Steve's Competition Pig Shake. Let's cook. So we've just got our pork shoulder here. We're not going to use any binder, we're just going to go straight on with Uncle Steve's Shake. We're going to make sure we're going to give this a generous covering. We'll flip it over, do the bottom as well. Just look at the colour of that shake. So our range is all set up. We're using some pecan pellets. It's set at 135 degrees C, that's 275F. I'll put this pork butt on. The lid closed and let's start cooking. So after 4 hours with each 87 degrees C, that's 188F, we're going to pull it off. We're going to foil it, and when we're foiling it we're going to add some apple juice to steam it. I'm just going to add some apple juice in now. Just going to help to steam and make this nice and moist. I'll just get this sealed up properly, make sure there's no gaps. Drop it back onto the Ranger. We're going to insert the probe back in. Close the lid and carry on cooking. A further 2 hours of cooking. So now our pork is at 98 degrees C, that's 208F, and I'm going to pull it. The steam coming out of there. And all we're going to do is we're going to get into a towel. We're going to wrap this in the towel. And we're going to let this sit and rest for about an hour. So, let's have a look what we've got. You can see the nice smoke ring on this pulled pork. So the Traeger has produced some good smoke. This is pulling apart easily. Some people like to add barbecue sauce at this point. I leave it and let my guests choose if they want to put barbecue sauce on it or whatever other accompaniment. So there we have it folks, Dutch's beautiful pulled pork. And these are the bits I like best. Nice bit of bark, full of flavour. So this is a platter of barbecue that I serve the pulled pork with. We've got some wings, we've got some corn, we've got corn dogs, and we've got mini roasted potatoes. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.